People who have purchased or are holding the DAISY token will be aware, hopefully, that they need to transfer the DAISY token to the new UpLift token. There's been a merger of those two tokens. So the DAISY launchpad and the UpLift launchpad are merged together. The tokens are merged together as well. So DAISY token becomes UpLift token, and we are moving to the MetaMask platform. This is a bridge. And so the UpLift founders, the tech people, have done a series of videos. This is one of 3 or 4 videos that we'll post on this channel on how to do that. Now, they did the instructions without sound. And so I'm going to stop the video from time to time. You'll see them go through different pages, and I'll just add voice to the text that you'll see. It may be helpful, so I hope that it is for you. Remember, this is the mobile version. All right, so what you see here is you've got your TronLink Pro app. And this is typical of what you would see in your TronLink Pro app. You click on Discover. Now remember, there's 4 buttons down on the bottom in your TronLink Pro app. You click on the Discover one at the bottom, and then you add this app.uplift.io/bridge. All right, so that is your first step. Then you'll be in the UpLift platform because you entered that URL that we saw before. And then you can enter the token amount or just tap on max if you want to do everything that you have. So whatever you will find, you have your tokens already in the TronLink, right? So this is going to enable you to transfer over the max that you have. So most people, I think, are going to want max, but you can do a smaller amount if you want. I don't think there's any reason why you want to do max every time, but now that's a personal decision for you. Okay, so you have to confirm. So often usually you'll have to do this twice. So you're still in the same page. You've clicked on max, it's populated the amount. So let's say you had 136,000. That's what the person who demoed this did. Nice position to be in. But here, let's read this together so that you understand it. So by default, you're being shown your Tron address. That's this, and it's in the Tron format, OX, and then the remaining numbers over here. And this is being shown to you in the BSC format. So you can also use this. So let's just walk through what this says. By default, you're shown the Tron address in the format of the BSC network. That's the Binance network system. And you can use this address by exporting the Tron wallet to MetaMask. So we've got a separate video about how to do that. So you'll watch for that video. It will be called How to Export Tron Key to MetaMask, okay? So but we will have done that already, and we confirm this address. See where the arrow is, confirm address, that's what it's gonna look like. Or you can enter another address to which UpLift tokens will be transferred. But for most people, this is the correct address, unless you've made some changes. And you will know what you're doing if you've made some changes. So if you don't know what you're doing and you haven't made any changes, do it this way, all right? Now, it'll just say processing. Wait, don't just jump ahead. Don't get impatient. Just wait. It normally takes at least a minute. So wait for the confirmation. It will show processing, whatever your version of English is. And then after it's been successful, follow the next steps. All right, so just be patient while it does that. Finally, it'll finish the processing, and as it does that, boom, you've now been successful. So then what you can do is scroll down to the BSC redeem card, and it will tell you to install MetaMask. So for a separate video on how to install MetaMask, please see how to create a MetaMask wallet. So again, all the steps are here. Just simply follow the steps in these different videos. Okay, so now you open the MetaMask. Remember, this is on your mobile phone. So open the MetaMask app and go to https://app.uplift.io/bridge. Type it in there. It'll be a little place where you can type it in. So you'll see all these different formats there, and go ahead. Okay, now we're in the next step. So you click on Connect to MetaMask. That will have appeared there. We want to do that. And you select and connect the wallet, the address of which was indicated on the Tron card. So you've got in your Tron wallet, connect the MetaMask, and then you connect to this site. It's going to give you that amount, and you connect. So you've now got your MetaMask connected. Then you want to claim your lift. So now you can claim the number of tokens that you have transferred from your Tron wallet to the BSC on the MetaMask. So you're now in MetaMask, and it's connected to your Tron wallet, and it shows how many you have available. So in this example, they have 5 lift available to claim. You're going to click on claim, and of course, it's going to show processing. So you're going to, again, be patient and wait while it's processing. But we're pretty much finished here. Then you get the green notification that the transaction was successful. Congratulations, you have transferred your DAISY tokens into Lift tokens and transferred them from Tron to the BSC network on your MetaMask. You are now a legit expert. And that's the end of the video. So thank you for that. This is how to use the bridge. And again, remember, this is all on the mobile phone. So that's where this would be done in this example. Thank you.